So now I request Professor Richa to start the proceedings of our valedictory session.
Good afternoon, everyone. Now, as we have successfully completed our 5 days FDP, I thank all the speakers for sparing their important time for us and delivering such a knowledgeable lecture. I request our head of the department, IPS Academy Institute of Engineering Science Civil Department, to say a few words.
Thank you very much, Richa. Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of Civil Engineering Department, IPS Academy Institute of Engineering and Science, I would like to thank all the participants for being a part of this 1 week Atal FDP on disaster management and engineering structure safety. We are very glad that we are able to utilize the platform provided by AICTE and be the bridge between the various experts and all the participants. With this hope that all the brainstorming sessions were very useful and we were able to solve the purpose of AICT in conducting this FDP. Disasters are something which are very kind of unpredictable, but as an engineer, all we can do is organize and manage the resources and responsibilities for dealing with all the humanitarian aspects of emergencies, in particular preparedness, response, and recovery in order to lessen the impact of disasters and be committed towards our part of serving the society. I'm very thankful to all the experts, Dr. Anil Kumar Gupta, Dr. C. Bondopadhyay, Dr. Surya Prakash, and Dr. S. Guleria from NIDM New Delhi, to Dr. George DMI Bhopal, Dr. D. Singh MPSDMI Bhopal, Mr. Rajiv Nair, CRM Chhatrapati Shivaji Group of Institutions Durg, Dr. Raju Sharma, Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology Punjab, Dr. Manish Goyal and Dr. Nilima Satyam from IIT Indore, Dr. Chaitanya Sangvi from LD College of Engineering Ahmedabad, and last but not the least, my mentor Dr. Rakesh Khare from SGSITS Indore for such knowledge enhancing sessions. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request our organizer of the event, Dr. Amit Sharma sir, to present vote of thanks.
First of all, I'm very thankful to Atal Academy AICT for allowing us to conduct this FDP under the umbrella of Atal Academy. To our President, Architecture Atal Chaudhary sir, Head of the Institute, Dr. Archana Kirti Chaudhary ma'am, and Head of the Department, Professor Swati Lekha Guha, for providing all the facilities to conduct the FDP. To my team members, Professor Richa Jain, Professor Harshit Jain, Professor Pratyush Motwani, Professor Arpit Setia, and all the civil engineering faculties for supporting. Also, special thanks to Kothari sir and Kirti sir for motivating us and boosting us throughout the FDP. All the eminent speakers for sharing their work and experience with all of us. Also, the staff of civil engineering department for helping us throughout. Finally, to all the participants without whom it is not possible to conduct the FDP, and all those people who are directly and indirectly involved in the conduction of this FDP. I hope and pray this is not the end of the beginning, but a beginning of bond between all of us, and this FDP will open the gates of new research in the field of disaster management and engineering structure safety. Thanks a lot.
I thank all the participants for patience, listener, and request them to kindly fill the feedback form and quiz before 6 p.m. today. Thank you, everyone.
Also, if you want to say something regarding FDP, what you experienced, you can share with us, as feedback is very important to us. Rawat madam, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Welcome, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, all of you. I
Good
am
afternoon.
Dr. Aruna Rawat, working in University Institute of Technology, RGPV, Bhopal. I first of all thank the organizers, Dr. Amit Sharma and his team, for organizing 1 week online AICT sponsored Atal FDP program on the disaster management and engineering structure safety. And also I thank IPS Academy for taking great efforts in organizing this FDP. All the lectures delivered by the experts has up, upgraded our knowledge in the field of disaster management and structural safety. They have shared their research work and expert knowledge with us, which will definitely help us in guiding our students. I once again thank the organizers for arranging such a workshop on the latest strain of disaster as we are suffering from this pandemic of COVID. So the disaster management is very important. I thank for the organizers and IPS Academy Indore. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, madam. Omkar ji, can you hear me? Omkar Arun Vaidya ji. Miss Hitashi. Any other participants who want to give their feedback? Gobinath ji?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir. Please. We need your words.
Yeah, sir. So, very good afternoon to one and all. For the past 5 days, I have attended all the 5 days without missing even one session. So, starting from Anil K. Gupta, sir, to Major Chaitanya, sir. So, we have come across through different facets of civil engineering in disaster management and in earthquake engineering. So we got, personally, I got many ideas in working how can I personally develop my profile in this area of disaster management and also in earthquake engineering. So I got more ideas, and especially that session conducted by Rajiv Nair sir, like counselor for Chhatrapati Shivaji Group of Institutions, stress management. It was awesome, sir. Even though I don't know Hindi, since I am from Tamil Nadu, the communication about expression, what you have made, so it was awesome. And also, I just thank the management and faculty members of IPS Academy and my best wishes to you, sir. And from our side, we request you to conduct more FTPs and webinars related to earthquake engineering and also in soil sex interaction in future, sir. So thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Gobinath ji. Next time we will put these topics also. Rahul Kumar ji, would you like to give your feedback? Any other who wants to give their feedback?
Amitji, Gopinath here.
Yes, sir.
What about exam like link? I have
We are
given
sending
feedback
you
in
link.
Atal.
Yeah, it's okay, sir. We are just keeping for us also.
Okay.
So you just fill that feedback form also through our link also, and
Okay.
at AICT portal it is mandatory for you to fill. Everyone
Yeah,
has to fill that, and along with that we are also sending one link of quiz or test. So in that you have to score at least 60%.
Fine, sir. Fine, sir. So that
So
you will
we
be
will send
putting in chat box or in the group you will do it,
in
sir?
the group. In the group we will send that,
Fine.
and once you get the link, maybe around 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock, then
Okay.
you have 2 hours. Once the link will come, after 2 hours it will stop responding.
Fine,
So
sir.
you have to you have to give the test within 2 hours only. So you have to fill both these links. And now with this, thanks a lot to everyone Aruna Rawat Madam, Gobinath ji, to every participants uh, for uh, for making this FDP successful. And anyone who wants to speak,
So myself, Ghana,
yes,
from Nitte Meenakshi Engineering College, Bangalore. I like to thank you for organizing such a wonderful FDP. It was very resourceful. All the resource persons explained the concept so beautifully. I'd like to thank again, and please inform us if you, for in future, if you're doing more FDPs on earthquake engineering and soil interaction, as sir said before. Kindly inform us that one. So thank you again.
thank you, madam. We will definitely inform you.
Yeah, yeah, I also wants to convey my
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
appreciation. Yeah, I am Dr. Valsan Varghese from KDK Engineering College, Nagpur. Yeah, the resource persons were very excellent, very fantastic, and because of that, the entire program was hugely successful and satisfactory. The content were marvelously beneficial to all the faculties. Perhaps everyone will utilize the knowledge what they have, what one have gained it, and to the all the students. And personal congratulations to you for organizing this wonderful event, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Should we stop, or someone else also wants to give their feedback? Well, Sansan, we will keep in touch with you, sir.
Yeah, certainly. Thank you.
So please fill your feedback link and test link, and anyone else who wants to speak. So thanks a lot, all of you, for participating and making this FDP successful. And now we will send you the links. So with these words, now we are ending the session in FDP. Thanks a lot.